everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my namjoon / BTS collection. Now that it's June and a lot of people do like mid flip throughs, I thought I would share with you finally after so many months my namjoon / BTS collection. It's been a while and I kept pushing it off because more releases are happening, but now that it's been a hot while since a solo release, like physical album, I thought I would share with you. I also have 2 binders now, and yeah, that's kind of crazy. But if you're new, hi, I'm Hadley. I ult Namjoon and I collect all of his album PCs and pretty much any other thing that he has. I also collect Jimin album PCs. I'm very behind because he is my bias wrecker. I also collect all solo albums, inclusions, stuff like that. So I'll be showing you guys all of that in here. I'm gonna start with my album. So there's a little bit of glare, I'm sorry, but I do go in chronological order, and I also include all of large inclusions. You guys probably know all of these albums, so I'm not going to explain which is which, but I do have sections for Jimin, stuff like that, and I'll point out anything that's interesting. These were the Hip Hop Monster postcards from their earlier albums. Oh, Are You Late, School of Affair, Dark and Wild, School of Affair as well, HYYH Part 2, You Never Walk Alone. Glare is kind of annoying. Hold on. That's just gonna have to be. I don't know how to fix that. Young Forever, HYYH Part 1. Wings. We have Love Yourself. Her, sorry. Love Yourself, Her vinyl PCs. Tear. And then this is the Tier R group set that I want because it's my favorite set of photo cards. Then we have Answer, Persona, Mott's. We have the Persona postcards here. I just keep who I pull. And then this is the Persona film strip, and then I have the group Mod 7 one. Then we have B. So on this side is the B like deluxe edition, and then this is the essential edition for that. And then these are the group cards. And then this page will be my page for the B essential random because it's my second favorite set. And B was my first comeback, but I'm doing so well, as you can see. These are the postcards. This one's is Namjoon's and this is Jimin's. We have Butter. This is Permission to Dance, Las Vegas Confetti right here. We have the message cards, just have who I pulled. We have the lyric cards from that, and then this was actually the Butter pre-special gift film strip, I think. Ooh. Proof group set, and then standard compact, the little in the sum pre-order gifts. This is the pre-order global benefit, and then these 2 are the collector's edition. And then we have the postcards from that standard compact. This is the pre-order special gift, I believe, and then this is a bookmark from the proof exhibit in Seoul. We have the polls from that, and then these are the postcards from the collector's edition. And now we're moving on to solos. This is Jack in the Box. I pretty much have all the photo cards except a pre-order one. And then these are just freebies from Hobbypalooza. This is the vinyl one, my favorite. Then we have the Astronaut. These are all of the album photo cards. This is the POB, and then these are the US Weverse exclusives. We have postcards, pre-order gift here. Then we have Indigo. So these are the album PCs. These are the Weverse PCs. This is the pre-order benefit. This is the US exclusive Weverse one fabric card. And then my prized possession, the UMS Indigo PC. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's triple sleeved. Prized possession. Here are the postcards from that, and then these are from the Weverse version, and I just picked my 2 favorite postcards from that. And then we have the larger postcards and the cyanotype of the album. Here we have Face. We have the album PCs, Weverse. I have the other Weverse on the way. Pre-order gift. Okay. And then this guy is one of the lucky draws. I just had like an extra space. So my friend got this and I bought it from her. It's so cute. I don't know what version this is or where it came from, but it's so cute. These are all of the non-random photo cards that you get in the album. So I have like 2 sets of the same one just because I got 3 albums. And then these are the postcards. These are the ones from the album. And then this one back here is one of the Target exclusive ones. And then these are the larger postcards. So I have both versions of that. Then we have D-Day, which I did not show D-Day on my channel just because I got this album after I saw Yoongi in concert and I had post-concert depression. So yeah. So I think this is A and B. So this is the non-random ones, and then these are the random ones from the versions. Weverse, and then I'm still missing the other Weverse. I have some photo cards up for trade if anyone has it. Then this is the Pobs set and like exclusive. So these are the Target exclusives. This is the Weverse USA exclusive. These are the other photo cards from the other versions. They're the non-random. And then these are the Pobs. And I have the Yoongi Gummy Smile Pop that I pulled. Love it. Then these are the postcards from that. And then we're moving on to lucky draws. I put my lucky draws here because I don't have like space in the other sections. So these are all the lucky draws I want to get. And then this is M2U. And then these are the butter ones. I'm missing the M2U, but it's on the way. And then here we have the proof ones, just missing Soundwave. These are from Las Vegas. This is the album lucky draw. This is the live play lucky draw. This is Yoongi's album lucky draw, one of them. So pretty. And then these are 3 of 9 of the Indigo lucky draws. I did not get all 9, though I wish I did, but these are the ones that I got. So pretty. So that is my album binder. Let's move on to my non-album binder. It's the same from Season's Greetings. So I start with Memories because Memories is actually my favorite non-album thing. So I have everything from 2019 to 2021 that is DVD wise here. And then these are from the DVD. They're just 2021, I believe. They're just the postcards. And then this is from the Blu-ray. It is the film from that. And then we have my DVD section. I'm really sad. I only have 3 PCs. But we have Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, The Final Soul, and then Suzu DVD. But yeah, a lot of the cards past this era are really, really expensive. So, or like before this era are really, really expensive, so I don't have them. But then we have Mott's. So Mott's was my first BTS concert. It came out like 3 weeks after I became ARMY. So I have a whole page dedicated, but they also have so many PCs for this. So this is the DVD PC, just missing the Blu-ray. And then these are the Root and Clue concept photos. This is the holo from that. And then these are just like the group ones. So I have Namjoon's here and then Jimin's here. We have the Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, the final bookmark. So I have both Namjoon and Jimin, just because they gave you a group set. Mott's Blu-ray, and then these are the photos from the concept book, photo book. So I have Jimin's on the back here. Yep. And then here is like a 6 pocket of just like random, weirdly sized inclusions. So these are the holo tickets from the DVD. This is the BTS World like lenticular, and then this is from the Yet to Come in Busan concert, so it's just a little film strip. Here I have some of the postcards. So this is a postcard from Mott's one, and then this is one of the lenticulars here, and then on the back I have the other version. They're the same thing, I think. Suruzu postcards here. And then we go on to my tour mini PC. So I have Suruzu here. I'm very behind. And then we have Permission to Dance. This is the Seoul ones here. And then these 3 are from the first round, technically like LA. And then this is also Seoul group. And then I have another one on the back that is also Seoul. Here we have Yet to Come Busan mini PCs. There were only 2 of them. And then this is August D-Day tour PCs. This is the August D version. And yeah, so tour PCs, I want to collect up until Mott's one, and then maybe one from Love Yourself, just because those are the concerts that I was around for. But yep, these are giant postcards of Yet to Come Busan, and they fit perfectly in a 2 pocket, so they just kind of hang here. These are the start of like seasonal things that they don't always come out with. So we have winter package, we have Besta from 2021, the PCs here, and then the playing cards, and then this is the deco kit, random, non-random, and the 2 Polaroids. So then we have here is the Festa film strip and Festa like group postcard, and then I just put the Festa D-Day calendar here because I didn't get actually Festa. I just bought like a set that just came with this. So there he is. We have Season's Greetings 2022. This came with a group set. I have his ID card, and then all the other members' IDs are in this here. And then we have the postcards for that. And then since there's technically not a 2023 Season's Greetings, there was a calendar that came with the Us, Ourselves, and I, like the photo folios. So I just pulled out the pages that had my bias line, which is Namjoon, Jimin, and Tae. And so this is that, and then the Tae is on the back because Jimin has not come up yet. So yeah. These are the photo folios. I just got one photo book of each member, but I do want to collect all of Namjoon's PCs. So these are the non-random PCs for all the members. And then these 2 on the side, well, this is the random from the group one, and then this is the little Polaroid from the group one. So yeah, super cute. And then these are all my random PCs, so super, super cute. Like I said, I want to collect all of Namjoon's, and then I do have the little like bookmarks here. But the cards that I was wanting to pull was this one, and this one. But they all are so gorgeous, so I didn't really mind who I got, but some of my pulls from that. And then these are the group photo cut things. They're technically photos, not like postcards, because they have like a little like line that they were printed out like a photo, but yep. And then I have Namjoon's postcard and his stamp set, and then on the back I have Jimin's here, and then there's this random Jimin icon. Here is the namjoon. This is the first round 2021, and then this is 2022 here. So I have a set of Namjoon and Jimin, and then I have another Jimin over there. And then this is the greetings, that Little Wishes, Little Wishes set for Namjoon and Jimin. And then this is Tay McDonald's. These are the Hybe Insight mini PCs. I don't remember what it was for, but these are some of my favorite PCs of Namjoon, so. And then I have Namjoon's Jogger PC right here. Here I have the making log, an envelope from the Jogger PCs. And then these are all of my D-Icon ones. So this is 2021 here, and then 2022. I also have all the other members. They're in the actual D-Icon binder, but super cute. Here is my Lightstick mini PCs here. And then this is all of the PCs I can't part ways with, but don't have a space in like my album photocard binder. So I have this Yoongi, this Hobie, and this another Yoongi, and then a JK BTS World. Last part of this binder is dedicated to my TXT larger inclusions that don't fit in my A5 Taeyeon binder. I do collect Taeyeon. I will probably do a video of his binder because it has changed a lot because I finally finished his PCs. But they do have a lot of larger postcard inclusions, and I don't have a space for them. I also don't collect Taeyeon for larger inclusions. They're just a lot of work, so I just keep who I pull. But these are the Lightstick PCs for that. So super cute. And then here are all the larger inclusions. I do have, I believe I have like one Thursday's Child one, and then this Blue Hour one of Taeyeon. But other than that, I never really pull him for larger inclusions. So here's Blue Hour. This photo is one of my favorite photos of him. He's so gorgeous. And then I have Subin on the back. And then here is KS Chapter Freeze. So I have Bungyu, and then these two Kais here for that. And then here I have the Fighter Escape version, so I have another Kai. And then Yeonjun. And then here is one of the like AR cards. This is Kai here. And then my other Thursday's Child pulls. So I have Subin and Bungyu. And then we have Temptation. So I have two Subins. And then on the back we have Yeonjun. As you can see, I pull Subin a lot, but that's my little like TXT larger inclusion set. But yeah, that is all for this binder. That is my Namjoon / BTS photocard collection. It has grown so much since I've last shown this and in the last 2 years of me collecting. So yeah, kind of crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Goodbye.